Hello students, Mr. John here. Welcome to our latest module. It's called Religions of the World. Let's talk about it. If we pop open to our content page, basically this chapter is going to be a little different. We'll be using the textbook as a source of content, but it's presented to you in a way that's different than the way they present it in the book. And what I mean by this is in your textbook, the 5 major religions all have their own chapter. Whereas I break it down and condense it and put all the religions into a single chapter. Basically, we just don't have time to do an additional 4 chapters. We just run out of time at the end of the year. So this module, this chapter, this Religions of the World chapter is custom built by yours truly. We'll have an introduction day, which is today, and then we'll spend one day each on each of these 5 major religions of the world in this order. We'll start with Judaism, Christianity, Islam, move on to Hinduism and Buddhism, and we'll finish the chapter with a review day and a test as normal. Now listen up, and this is important. We're in history class. That means we're viewing all these religions through our history glasses, not our religious glasses. I'm not trying to convert anyone to any type of religion. We are viewing this purely academically. So, every religion that we study gets equal coverage, and they all get a fair shake in my class. So with that in mind, I present today's lesson. On the next page, it's a video and an assignment. It's kind of a rundown of all these major religions. It's just 11 minutes long. It's a quick summary of those 5 major world religions. It's impartial and informative. Pay attention, it's going to be pretty useful. For your assignment, I want you to write me at least a paragraph telling me why or why not you think learning about the religions of the world is important. Because it's an opinion question, there's no right or wrong answer. You'll be given 10 points basically on your ability to articulate your answer and your reasoning behind it. Be sure to check that spelling and grammar. Think critically, put it on paper, and you should get 10 out of 10 points. Feel free to contact me, as always, if you have any questions or concerns. Oh, and it's Teen Biz Day, so go ahead and knock that out on the next page when you're done with this. That's it for now. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.